Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to upload videos in 4K, Full HD, or even 8K quality on YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for the YouTube app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, open the YouTube app. Now go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down until you find Uploads and tap on it. Next, tap on Upload Quality and select Full Quality. Once you've done that, your videos will be uploaded in the highest quality available, including 4K. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, see you soon.